Hey, welcome back. I am having a bit of a head scratcher right here. This is a 2003 Subaru Forester, and the brakes, when you come to a complete stop, just before you stop, the brakes make this kind of a rattling sound, almost like it's ratcheting, and then it goes like a bung, kind of like that. You can feel it in the pedal. But it's every time you come to a complete stop. It's not when you're just slowing down or something like that, but it's only when you complete stop. So I'm pretty sure it has to do with this unit up here, which I'm feeling is the ABS system. So there you go. It is, if I'm not mistaken, it's a Bosch unit of some sort. And I may end up having to replace it, but I've got a camera on the inside of the car with a flashlight. Just because I want to see if that's where the sound is coming from. I want to see if that's the loudest point, if it makes any crazy vibrations. And hopefully that camera and that flashlight stays there and doesn't fall out while I'm driving. So I'm going to hop in the car. I've got a different camera I'm going to put in there, so the view is going to look a little bit different. But you can hear what it sounds like inside the cabin. Hopefully it picks up that audio. We'll see. If not, I may just scratch this whole video. But maybe it'll make it to the internet and you guys can help me figure this out. So here we go. Alright, so we're going to give this a try. It's really weird driving with a light directly in front of me, but you wouldn't be able to see me otherwise. Make sure I don't hit that tree. But we're going to give this a go and see what happens. And again, this is a 2003 Subaru Forester. It's actually my wife's car. Alright, I'm gonna move this over here. There we go. Alright, a little bit better for me. But, hang on one sec. Apparently my door's not shut. There we go. Yep, safety first, guys, safety first. Alright, I'm gonna turn into this neighborhood up here. Actually, I'll have to stop so you might hear it. Yeah, if you didn't hear that. Alright, man, I'm really hoping that camera doesn't fall off the freaking engine compartment along my flashlight. Alright, so there's nobody behind me. I'm gonna stop again. That is crazy sounding. Alright. So I think that'll do it, but yeah, I can't make sense of it. I've actually had a couple other people take looks at it to see what they can make of it, but no one's been able to diagnose it other than saying, don't worry about it, car still drives fine. So I'm not happy with that, because again, like I said, this is my wife's car. So I want her to have something that she feels safe in. And while the car has never had a problem stopping, and I mean, it can stop, but it's a little unnerving, and every time you stop. And there was talk recently of giving this car to my niece, and I'm not comfortable with her taking this and it being her first car doing that. I know her mom wouldn't be happy, so maybe the internet can help me figure out what in the world that noise is. Like just normal slowdown, nothing. You get off the brake, you get back on the gas, not an issue. You just come to a full and complete stop, and that's when you have the problem. So nobody behind me, gonna stop again. Yeah, crazy, right? So I have a feeling it's that ABS unit. It's just acting weird, so. But that is that. See, man, I'm just slowing down on my own driveway and it's still doing it. So, you know, if you just slow down enough and you get to that point where it starts to trigger and then you get right off the brake, it does stop, won't continue, but the next time you stop, it's back again. So, but anyway, help me, internet, help me.